Meghalaya government announces series of tourism festivals. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma denies vehicle scam in Meghalaya police. And MDA does not facilitate illegal coal mining, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed the National Conference of Labour Ministers of all states and union territories via video conferencing. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister Modi said that EPFO provided great relief to the people during COVID times. He also said that there are several laws which are in existence since the time of British Raj, and the union government in the last 8 years have started the process of reforming those labour laws. The two-day conference is being organised by the Union Labour and Employment Ministry at Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh from today. Planning to visit Meghalaya? This autumn is the best time. Creating buzz amongst the tourists, Meghalaya government launched Autumn Calendar 2022, where a string of activities where a confluence of traditional and modern festivity can be witnessed. Estimating an expenditure of approximately Rs 12 to 15 crore, Meghalaya government is targeting an increase in tourist inflow. Two sporting events are in the mix: the Northeast Olympic Games from October 30th to November 6th in Greater Shillong and the Meghalaya Fest from October 13th to 16th in Ribhoi. There will also be a boating regatta in Umyam from November 2nd to 6th, Meghalaya International Film Festival from December 12th to 16th, and Winter Tales Festival from December 12th to 17th. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that this year the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival will be held from November 17th to 26th.
We have decided that we should come out with a proper systematic calendar of events so that a tourist is easily able to identify and take a decision on where he or she would want to go. And hence, today we are here to announce the calendar of events for the autumn season for Meghalaya.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today said the government would inquire into the aspect of the reported blatant overstepping of jurisdiction and authority with regards to procurement of vehicles and their misuse by one police official. Speaking to media persons, the Chief Minister said that the official report has not come to him till now, even as he added that the instances cannot be called a scam. He said that there may be some issues and government would look into the aspect of inquiring into it.
Number one, the report was not submitted at that point in time. The report has been submitted, I'm told, just last night, or is going to be submitted this morning. And number two, from the preliminary inputs that we have seen, that vehicles were procured, and it was done from the GEM portal, and it was purchased as per the procedures and norms that are laid down. So I don't see where this word scam has to come in. It's just becoming like using fancy words. They try to, change the narrative of the whole thing. It doesn't work that way. Go with the facts. Yes, there could have been some issue about allotments. That happens. There could be some delay or some other things. But that doesn't convert the entire situation to scam.
Almost 35 years after it was first conceived, the Crowbar Hotel will finally be inaugurated on September 7th under the brand name of Taj Vivanta. Informing this here on Wednesday, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said following Crowbar's inauguration on September 7th, the 5-star Courtyard Marriott at Jail Road will also be inaugurated soon. The Crowbar Hotel, which will employ around 150 people in various capacities, proposed in 1987. The hotel has been in the news for over 3 decades for all the wrong reasons, suffering innumerable delays along the way. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has denied the allegations of the opposition that the state government is facilitating illegal coal mining in the state. Reacting to the allegations, Chief Minister said that during their tenure, there was no action against illegal coal mining, and it is only under this government that action is being taken against such illegal activities. When asked about the death of a coal miner in an illegal coal mine in West Khasi Hills, he said the location of the mine was in a distant place, but yet the police has been able to arrest the owner of the mine.
See, number one, there is no question of any facilitation. It was during the opposition's time when there was no action taken on any of these. It is only when the NPP government and the MDA government came in did we start imposing the MMDR Act on it, made it more strict and more stringent for anybody who's involved in any kind of activity. So hundreds of cases have been filed, action has been taken against hundreds of people, a lot of people have been arrested. So one cannot just simply point a finger. I think they have to also realize that what is the things that they did not do during their time before they start pointing fingers.
So last politics.
The National People's Party today held a massive public gathering in Pinthor Umkhra constituency. The party in the program also welcomed Rocky Heck, who is going to be the official candidate of the party from the constituency. Speaking on the occasion, NPP National President Conrad Sangma said that the party is working hard to win the elections from all the constituencies. Senior party leaders were also present on the occasion. Lieutenant General Gurbilpar Singh, Director General NCC, visited Shillong today and he applauded the high levels of spirit, motivation and dedication of NCC cadets from the Northeast region. He has directed that additional training equipment, infrastructure and funds to be granted to Northeastern region for further improvement of standards. During media interaction, the DG NCC highlighted the various contributions of NCC in Northeast region. Another weather report. The maximum temperature was 25.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 66% while in the evening was 81%. Forecast, light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. News Bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi addresses National Conference of Labour Ministers of all states and union territories. Meghalaya government announces series of tourism festivals. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma denies vehicle scam in Meghalaya police. And MDA does not facilitate illegal coal mining, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.